We are doing exercise 6.3, question number 5 onwards. Question number 5, for each of the following numbers, find the smallest whole number by which it should be multiplied so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the square number so obtained. I am taking third part of it. We have to find by which number 1008 should be multiplied to get a perfect square. Let us try this. We'll factorize this. We'll get prime factors of 1008 and see which factor remains unpaired. See, 2, this is divisible by 2. 2 5s are 10, 0, 2 4s are 8. 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4. Now, this is 2, 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 6 ja 12. 2, 2 6 ja 12, 2 3 ja. Now this is 3, divisible by 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 1 ja 3. 3, 7 ja 21, 7 1 ja. You can see we have pairs of 2, 2 and 3, but 7 remains unpaired. Therefore, 1008 must be multiplied by because if it would be one more 7, because if we would be having one more 7, it would be perfect square. So 1008 must be multiplied by 7 to get a perfect square. Okay, perfect square. So therefore, perfect square. Now what will be the perfect square then? Perfect square is equals to 1008 multiplied by 7. So this is 7 8 is 56, 7 0 0, 7 1 is 7. Okay, now we have to find a square root of this. See, this is 7056. Now all the factors will be like this. We'll be having only one more 7. So it will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. You can see because we multiplied 1008 by 7 to get a perfect square. Now this is perfect square. So what will be this? What will be factors of this 7056? Only one extra 7 will be there. So we'll be making pairs of the numbers 2, 1 out of this pair 2, 3, and 1 out of this 2 7. So this is 2 2 ja 4, 3 ja 12, 7 ja 84. So square root of this will be 84. Now I am doing one more part, that is last part, sixth one. This is 768. So by which number 768 multiplied to get a perfect square? 768. 2, this is divisible by 2. 2 3 ja 6, 1 16, 2 8 ja 16, 2 4 ja 8. Now 2, 2 1 ja 2, 18, 2 9 ja 18, 2 2 ja 4. Now 2, 2 9 ja 18, 2 6 ja 12. 2, 2 4 ja 8, 2 8 ja 16, 2 24. Now 2 12, 2 6, 2 3, 3 1. You can see which number remains unpaired. This is 3. Therefore, 768 must be multiplied by 3 to get a perfect square. Okay, and the perfect square is therefore perfect square, just multiply this 768 by 3. 768 multiplied by 3, because 3 remains unpaired, so we need to have one more 3. 3 8 ja 24, 3 6 ja 18 to 20, 3 7 ja 21, 23. Okay, now we have to calculate square root of 2304. It is very simple, no need to factorize this. This is already factorized. So we have to write one more 3 only. How many 2's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this 3 was there, and we need to have one more 3, so it will be 3. So this 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So this will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So it will be 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16, 3 to 48. Thank you. You just try all the parts of this question like this. Thank you so much.